Namaste. When you talk about yoga, Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi. The Ashtanga Yoga given a wonderful path. But among that, when you are following a proper disciplined lifestyle, and when you are be able to bring the stability in the life, you will become successful. That's why in Bhagavad Gita, yoga definition is given as yoga karmasu kaushalam. The excellence in every action is yoga. So you will become great. But that stability must you bring in the body and mind. So the stability of the body and mind comes with the asana practice. Sthira sukham asanam. That means the constant comfortable pose is asana. Many people think that asana is something a physical exercise. No, you cannot compare it. It's much higher than the physical. You get great physical benefit, mental benefit, spiritual benefit, and therapeutical benefits. So many benefits with each asana. For example, this asana is called Vajrasana. Vajrasana everyone must practice, especially those who are doing the studies, doing the sadhana. It's a great meditative posture, and this activates the both left brain and right brain, and it activates your Vajranadi and makes the mind so powerful and stable. That's why you are actually sitting and meditating in Vajrasana for an hour every day. You will definitely get the great mind power. Not only that, it's a great asana for your digestion. All the yoga asanas must be practiced with empty stomach. But the only one asana you can practice after the meal is Vajrasana. So after the meal, if you are sitting in Vajrasana, your digestion power is improving more than 90%. So that kind of a great digestive power you get it. So you digest your food well and you get the energy. So that is how this asana is one of the essentials for everyone's day-to-day life. Now, those who are doing the studies, of course, both teachers and students, this is essential. Okay, and for sadhakas, the spiritual practitioners, and the health seekers, for everyone, Vajrasana is an essential asana. So Vajrasana has a great significance in many religions as well. So because the origin of the all religions is Sanatana Dharma, Vedic culture. From Vedas, we have the great science of Yoga Shastra, and from that Yoga Shastra we got all the great techniques like this. So this is one of the simple techniques which everyone can follow easily, and then mainly the people these days facing a lot of digestive issues and gastric issues, diabetic, things like that. For all those problems, it is very good asana. And unstable, especially children are becoming so unstable. So we have to make them practice every day Vajrasana, sitting on Vajrasana for longer time. They get the stability, they get the stable mind, focused mind, concentration. So it improves the concentration. So concentration is the power. Shraddha, Labhate, Jnana. So then they get the great knowledge. Not only the knowledge, but stable mind and peaceful mind. And also the attitude. It gives, Vajrasana gives you great attitude. What attitude? Always giving attitude. So It's always think about what I can do good for others, humanity. That is what Manavata is about. So when you are under to cultivating that humanity within you, you become a human being, good human being to the great human being, a great human being to the divine being. So during this journey, so you get a great benefit with this asana practice daily. Okay, so practice very simple. So we'll see how to do it. So wish you all the best and do the practice well and get benefit of this and become great human being and divine being. Okay, thank you.